Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. Today, we're going to visit a local market. It takes about 30 minutes to get there from where I live. So, grab your imaginary shopping bag and come with me. Let's see if we find fresh vegetables. Or if I get distracted by delicious snacks first. It was raining very heavily while we were on our way. I'm in the car now. My job is very important. I'm the official window watcher. We've arrived at the market. Let's see what we can find and what fun things we can do here. Come along with us. This market feels very similar to Jagao near Phuent Sholing. It brings back good memories of Bhutan. There are so many different foods and drinks to see here. So we're just walking around, looking here and there, and enjoying everything the market has to offer. It's fun to explore without any plan. Look at this place. It's so busy, and there are people everywhere. There are so many delicious foods, colorful drinks, clothes, shoes, and souvenirs. Honestly, let's keep walking and see what else we can find. Maybe we'll discover something surprising. After walking around the market, we finally found a nice coffee shop. My feet needed a little break. Open mouth smile. Now I'm going to try a famous Thai milk tea. I've heard it's sweet, creamy, and very popular. So let's find out if it's really as good as everyone says. Cheers. Let's take our first sip together. If it's delicious, I might need a sec. After enjoying my Thai tea, I continued exploring the market. Then I found something very surprising. I saw a phone shop, and guess what? The shop assistant was a cat. We are just looking for a good local market. 1. Let's explore this market. My eyes are ready, but my wallet is not. Tears of joy too. So many things to see. I don't know where to look first. Open mouth smile 3. I came just for a walk, but the market is tempting me to buy everything. Now, I'm entering a 7-Eleven shop. 7-Eleven is one of the most popular convenience stores in Thailand. You can find almost everything here. Let's see what we can find inside. Inside this shop, I made a cup of coffee and enjoyed drinking it. After walking around the market, this coffee is the perfect little energy boost. Now I feel refreshed and ready to continue exploring. Inside his job, I made a cup of coffee and enjoyed drinking games. After walking around the market, this coffee is the perfect little energy boost. Now I feel refreshed and ready to continue exploring. Now, let's check out the vegetable shop. Leafy green, don't worry. I won't make you carry the vegetables. Just enjoy watching. Tears of joy. Now it's time to buy some fresh vegetables. Let's see what we can cook today. Fresh vegetables, fresh energy. Maybe these vegetables will make me a better cook. I came here to buy vegetables. But these fresh colors are making me want to buy everything. Choosing vegetables is not easy. I need to use my Vegetable detective skills. Detective leafy green. Wow! So many people are buying vegetables here. I think everyone came with the same mission today. There are so many choices that my head is starting to spin. I need a vegetable shopping guide. Now, we are going to buy some rice. We are walking around to find a good rice shop. After a little search, we finally found one. When we arrived at the shop, we met a kind lady selling rice. I was surprised to learn that she is from China, but she can speak Thai very well. It's amazing how people can learn and speak different languages. This shows that language can connect people from different countries and cultures. We have finished shopping, and we are putting all our things into the car. It was a fun and exciting day exploring the local market in Thailand. We saw many interesting things, tasted delicious drinks, and met friendly people. Now it's time to go back home. Now we are on our way back home. We are sitting in the car, looking outside the window and enjoying the beautiful views along the way. Sometimes the journey itself is the best part of the adventure. We can relax, enjoy the scenery, and remember all the fun moments from today. Finally, we have arrived back at our college gate. We are back at our hostel safely. Thank you for joining my little adventure today. I hope you enjoyed the journey with me. See you in the next video.